Dog care tips and tricks for the beginner. When it comes to an amazing pet, nothing compares to a dog. You likely care for a dog already, or are considering adopting one, as you have located this video. It isn't easy to take care of a dog, but this video has all the great hints you need to make dog ownership a blast. Look into subsidized health care for your dog if money is tight. Many local communities, in cooperation with groups like the SPCA, offer discounted services that have proven invaluable to dog owners. Look into getting your dog spayed or neutered and vaccinated for a fraction of veterinary costs at a sponsored event probably close by to you. Just contact the SPCA or an animal shelter in your town. If you are thinking of getting a new dog for your family, be sure you are prepared for this commitment. Smaller dogs will require at least a 14 to 16-year commitment, and larger dogs will require at least 10 years. If you are not prepared to own the dog for its entire life, then do not choose a dog as a pet. Your dog will need a dog house if it is going to be outside in colder temperatures. If the dog gets wet feet, that could make him stressed out and cause other health problems as well. Your dog needs a space that is dry and provides him with adequate shelter. Make sure you have the correct dog supplies. Before bringing your dog home for the first time, be sure that you are equipped with the right supplies. Every dog needs a good-sized food and water bowl, a collar and leash, toys, and a comfy place to sleep. Also, remember to purchase an identification tag immediately. With all of this great information in hand, prepare to use it to better your dog's life. There is nothing like making your canine companion happy. In return for what you do for your dog, you will get their love back as well as feel great about making them a happy, healthy pup. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.